What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content, all the videos, all that good stuff. So I've possibly got the best shorts for summer right here. Just gonna rip them open and show everyone. So they just look like plain simple shorts. I'm going to explain why I think they're the best, but we'll go through what they are first. So they are the Adidas Firebird shorts, black and white, standard. Look at the big sizing, you know, have to do the oversized stuff and, you know, have them nice and baggy. So Firebird, Adidas, as everyone knows, you know, it's got that material like a poly blend material, lightweight, very super lightweight and good for the summer. The reason I think they're the best shorts ever is because of these zip pockets. A lot of shorts don't come with zip pockets and it gets really annoying sometimes in the summer having to carry a bag around and stuff like that. So the Firebird shorts definitely come in to the best shorts. It's Adidas shorts overall, to be honest, I really like because of the fact that they come with the zip pockets, and Adidas tracksuits as well. They come with the zip pockets, which more companies need. Obviously, simple black and white shorts go with a lot of things. Yes, I wear them with my Nikes, but it doesn't matter. 3 stripes, trefoil logo, Adidas. Same on the other side, nice and simple. I won't even waste any more time by blabbering on. Try these and then let me know what you think. Make sure you check out all the other content, all the other videos. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, my people.